This for me is extremely unusual, a crab in like a packet. And then you see like gift boxes of prawns. Hello.
Hello.
And today is a rainy day in Oviedo.
Yes.
So we're gonna go check out what today, Thomas?
We're going to a supermarket to show you the most typical Spanish product that you can find there.
Yeah, so I'm new to Spain obviously. So Thomas is gonna show me what a typical supermarket looks like in Spain. And it's the second day of the new year, 2024.
Let's go.
This is like a typical supermarket. But Mercadona is like the most famous. And I found Cola 00, which means zero caffeine and zero sugar. There's only zero sugar, but I've never seen zero caffeine. Not bad stuff.
Not bad stuff. All the things that are very common in the supermarket in Spain is that you have a lot of alcohol and a lot of beers.
Yeah. And
look, that quantity.
You know the interesting fact? Beer in supermarkets in Spain is cheaper than water, bottles of water.
Yes.
So we can show you. For example, that's beer and that's 31 cents. This is 29 cents beer also. How much?
Mosto.
What's that?
This is like grape juice.
Mm-hmm.
It's not alcohol at all.
I've never seen something like this also.
Yeah, it's very typical in Spain. Mosto is super sweet.
And
I
there are
love
two
it.
flavors of grape.
Yeah, the white one and red one.
And that's sangria.
Sangria. This is alcohol. This is my favorite part. I love creams, but the problem is now there is not the melon one. I love it, the melon one. It is limoncello, and everything is very cheap. It's 6.60, 6.50, no more than 7 euros. I love it.
They have like
It's
a
amazing. You can make your own fresh food, fresh juice.
yeah, fresh orange juice. Okay, let's see what else. Lots of grapes, and the prices are like $2.55 for one. For this broccoli, capsicum, green capsicum, and they're like really cheap. $2.59 per 100,000 grams, 1 kg. A different type of capsicum.
Fresh mint and coriander.
Yeah, coriander I use a lot in my cooking.
Yeah, we need it for cooking.
Fresh lemon
Need one.
and onions, tomatoes, and the prices are really reasonable. Sometimes even cheaper than United Arab Emirates, and definitely from New Zealand too. Cheaper prices. Carrots in a packet. Now, a fun fact I wanted to tell everyone is that in Spain, healthier food, vegetables, and fruits are cheaper than unhealthy food, which is not great, unlike New Zealand or Dubai. I have a question to ask.
Yes.
Why, you were going to tell me why the chocolates are so expensive in Spain?
All the sweets, all chocolate, everything is usually more expensive than in other countries. I don't know why.
Which is a good thing, maybe. It's not a bad
maybe
thing.
It's a good thing because
Like I was just saying, like all the unhealthy things in other countries are cheaper.
yeah. So this is one of the things that I love the most. The chai. This one is super good. Times if you are lazy, you can just buy the soup to make the paella or all the flavors. All the flavors you can buy it here.
Or you can buy crabs, ready-made crabs.
Everything.
Another unusual thing is like mussels, like tuna, packed tuna. I've never had those before. Maybe in other countries they have them, I never paid attention. This for me is extremely unusual, a crab in like a packet. And then you see like gift boxes of prawns.
That you can find fresh fish. Very good products.
Another cool thing in Mercadona is chicken with carrots patty, and then they have like turkey with spinach patty, and then they're all different kinds of patties, and they're fresh, not like.
So this is something very crazy. Now the olive oil is very expensive. Now it's like 8 euros. Before it was like 3 euros or 4.
Given Spain is like
Yes,
olive oil
too
producing
much.
country.
Too much. It's crazy. This is one of the parts that I love the most. The hummus, they have a lot of flavors. This is the pepper flavor. I love it. It's the best of every kind of hummus that they have.
And that's very unusual, like egg.
Yeah, for the people who like the sports, protein,
The white egg, if you want, you can have it.
is protein. This one is also nice. Olive hummus, I love it. And this is something that I don't like at all. These bravas are not good. Sorry, I don't like it. Lasagnas are so good. That is something that can help you if you are in a rush.
Tortillas that I want to buy. I want to buy the one with onions and potatoes and of course eggs. So there are different kinds of tortillas ready-made you can buy too.
Basmati, all kind of rice. It's good.
And then they also have paella rice.
What do you want to show me? Oh, the paella rice.
I want to show you different kinds of lentils that are here. I've had,
One-
unless you went to like a South Asian store in New Zealand, you won't find them. And the most handy thing I found here is you can find like jarred chickpeas already done, so you don't need to take a long time to cook them. Oh my gosh, they have this.
But this is beans. Where are the lentils?
They're also lentils.
No, this is beans.
Yeah, beans,
Beans.
and lentils.
Lentils? Okay. Yeah, pardina. This is also super nice. The bakery. The bakery is amazing. Very cheap. And I love this one. The white chocolate donut.
What flavor is this?
This is nata. Nata with means cream.
Okay.
So come here because I need to explain to you something. This one is the most typical sweet for the day of the Three Magic Kings.
Which is on 6th of January.
Yeah, it's called Roscon de Reyes, and you can find it with different fillings, with chocolate, with cream, with a lot of fish. We are also buying these empanadas, are very good. My favorite one is pollo y setas. Do you like
yeah.
chicken and mushrooms?
Yes, of course. And my friend in New Zealand asked me if I had an empanada. I told him like empanadas in Spain are like what pies are in New Zealand. So it's you literally have to find them everywhere.
And you are going to try it for the first time.
Yeah.
The turron is other thing that I love, and this one is cheesecake, especially. It's amazing. And the flavor of this thing is super amazing. It's like a drug. It's an addiction.
This is my favorite section. Look at this. They have a cake with Justice League.
Yeah, they have cakes, so Justice League, the Paw Patrol. All the cakes are very good. The red velvet, amazing. And the ice creams. Where is the turron? The turron one is my favorite. Oh, here, this one. The turron one is super amazing. I love it. And it's only 3 euros. And here behind me is the most favorite part of Mercadona for me. I love the snacks. The cheese one it tastes like real cheese. It's very strong. I love it. If you sometime come here, buy this. It's very good. Another thing that I like is this. This pork skin is amazing. The barbecue flavor is like super addictive. I can't stop eating this. I love it. and all this flavor that is like ham. At the end, it's a vegan product because it doesn't have any meat on it. That is something very funny. These things here are like the goblins and papadelitas, but Mercadona, and are very good.
Shopping from Mercadona. Now we're gonna go home and try some of the
Yeah.
products. One super fact: if you need a bag, you ask for una bolsa, right? And they charge
Una
extra for
bolsa.
it.
Yes, 5 cents sometimes.
Yeah. Okay. See you at home. We have all the things from.
Mercadona. And now Fahad is going to try it for first time. So let's see if he likes it or not. First thing is empanada de pollo y setas. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Really nice.
Do you like it?
I think they mix it with a nice mushroom sauce, which is nice.
Yes. So what is your qualification for this?
Out of 5, 3.5.
3.5 or?
5.
Okay. Okay. Let's go for the next one. Triángulos de patata.
Yay! It has a smoky flavor.
It's very smoky, yeah. You like it?
I like it. I will give it a 4 out of 5 because of the strong smoky flavor and the triangle.
Okay. So 4 is not bad. Very good review.
Better than empanada. Oh, the only reason is because I like empanadas fresh, so
Okay.
yeah.
And which one is next?
Queso?
Queso. Patatas, sabor queso manchego.
Well,
So-
it already looks nice.
Yeah, it smells strong. Yeah, like strong cheese.
4.5.
4.5. Yeah,
It's improving.
it's improving.
Just score 4.5 because I love cheese.
Yeah, and it tastes like
But it
queso
tastes like
manchego.
It also tastes like blue cheese, but it's not, right?
No.
Oh, Thomas, I'll let you try this.
This is turron cheesecake flavor. For me, it's the first time.
Okay. How do you rate it out of 5?
It's good.
It's good? Out of 5?
3.5.
3.5? Okay.
Yeah. I tried. I didn't try it before the Mercadona one. I tried another brand. I think this one is good, but not the best.
Okay. Fair enough. Final thing that Thomas is gonna try and I'm gonna try.
El Roscon de Reyes.
Give us some information why it's so important.
This is very important because it's typical during Dia de Reyes, which is the day that the three mighty kings comes. And it's super tasty. I love the flavor. I think it's one of my favorite desserts in the world. And there is something very curious. Inside of the filling, you can find like sometimes it's a bean, sometimes it's a little toy. And if you have a slice and then you find that thing inside, you have to pay the price of this.
To the person who bought it.
Yeah, exactly. So let's see. We are going to
Cut it.
cut it in 2 slices for each and see what happens.
Thomas,
Let's cut it.
you try first.
Which part do you want?
Just any.
Any.
Everything looks nice.
Okay. Ooh, something here. I hope it's not there. Let's see.
So try it. Oh, it's a huge
No,
pot.
it's your turn to try.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, give it to me. Okay.
Okay.
It's nice and peachy. It has sugar on it and almond. And I like everything with cream. So for me, this is 5 out of 5.
5. Wow. Something inside?
Sugar. I think it's almond.
No, I mean there is an object inside.
Nothing inside.
Okay.
Not
so
every
you were lucky.
not everyone has, or in
No, there is only one, like one thing hide, or sometimes two things.
sometimes nothing.
No. Always there is always something inside.
Yummy. So, from 3 Magic Kings, that's goodbye to Magic Kings.
Goodbye, and if you like this kind of vlogs, you can write it in the comments,
Oh,
and
fell down.
we can make more.
And also, if you have any questions about grocery shopping in Spain before you're coming here, more than welcome to write us anything. So, until next vlog, bye bye.
Bye.